Today's the day. Today's the day that I officially say goodbye to my high school iPad. It was a legendary iPad. Specifically, it was the iPad Air 2, and it's still being supported from Apple to this very day. And only God knows how much longer it will remain supported, considering it was made back in 2014. And thanks to Christmas gifts, well, it's officially time for me to upgrade. I could remember the good memories I had with it like it was yesterday. Instead of upgrading straight away, why not I make an unboxing video? Okay, we have all this stuff. I didn't even ask for all these accessories, but they gave it anyway. And I am thankful. No, it's not because of white privilege. Alright, sorry, let's get started. These will be unboxed separately. I don't feel like they need to be in this video. So, we'll just get, where should I? Yeah. We'll just get straight into the iPad instead. Let's see, peel the tag off. Not tag, whatever you call it. Alright. Move the wrap. Oh. Oh, you don't smell it yet. You ready? You guys ready for this? Hold on, wait. I should do this. Oh, hold on. Alright, that should be better. Ooh, it is on. Let's see. Sorry guys, this might take a lot of effort. Oh, wait, it slides. Alright. And there we go. Whoa! It's an iPad. Ooh. Is it upside down? I can't tell. Oh, there's a hair. Alright. So, let's just get the iPad out first. Okay. There's this stuff. Yeah, the accessories. I actually needed another pair of these. You got your brick, because of course you do. It's no longer with iPhones though. Anything else? I don't think so. Alright. So let's see, what's in here? You got your manual, or sorry, because of this channel's tradition, I'll call it a manual. You got your, whatever this is. Let's see, aha. I also don't know what this is, but I guess it's directions. And of course, you got your traditional stickers. Yay! Anything else? No, that is it. Alright guys, are you ready? My hands are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy, mom's spaghetti. I'm sorry. Oh, by the way, I purposely got the green model. Because of course I did. Oh. Yeah, boy. Woo! Damn. Wow. This looks great. You got green. Probably can't see it that well on the camera, but yeah. I guess there's only one thing left to do. Time to do the transfer process. Woo! Oh yeah, but first I have to turn this on. There we go. Yeah. Looks nice. It's not OLED, but good enough. I am white privilege. Alright. Yes. English. I am in the United States. Yes. Alright, time to do it, guys. Don't want my passcode shown, so... Okay, settings. Where do I go for this again? Transfer. Get started. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm about to do the transfer process. I unfortunately can't show it on camera because I might dox myself or leak my email. So, see you afterwards. Alright, it's finishing up. The new one is currently installing iPad OS 50.2. I'll see you guys when it's done. It's still transferring, so I decided to open the case. Not as green as I thought it was, but hey, it'll serve. I'm not gonna waste any more money on other people. Alright, funny story. It stopped me because it said my battery wasn't at 50%, so I have to start this all over again. Technology. No joke. This has actually been stuck for an hour. Why? Alright guys, I decided to restart everything completely instead of just the iOS update. And yep, it works now. Let's give a moment of silence to our fallen comrade. Okay, that's it. Goodbye.